pretty easily. So I decided to do this video just in case some other people have the same doubt like I did, whether this is going to work for whatever you're trying to cut. I have other jigsaw, but they're all wired electrical jigsaw, and they're fine. But this is going to be my first battery operated jigsaw, and I'm quite surprised actually it worked really well. So this is one consequence. Okay, so obviously I've already opened it, but there's nothing really as much as included. It's not the battery, so it's just inside this plastic bag. There's this, I think, user manual, and inside this bag there was a one saw blade, and then there's this brochure, and that's about it. So I think I bought this for $99. So for $99, basically you get the jigsaw, the blade, with no battery. So this battery is something that I already have from another M12 set that I already have for a drill and a screwdriver set. So let's go through some of the functionality. Okay, so the unit itself is pretty heavy. I would say it's about 4 pounds to 5 pounds. As you can see, the motor here is pretty hefty. It's just as big as my hand, and it's really actually quite powerful. I'm really surprised again. This is only a 12-volt battery, and it's a very small one at that. So there's a battery check meter here. Let me see how I can activate that. Okay, there you go. So if you just press the trigger a little bit, it shows the battery meter. That if you, so I'm down 1. There's 4 dots here. Full is 4 dots, and so I'm down 1 right now. And this top part is a rubberized material, so if you drop it, it has a little bit of bounce to it. There is this lock, so you can't press it, and then unlock, so you can press it. Let's see what else. To put it on, actually, it's pretty easy to put on the blade. If I remember correctly, all you have to do is, of course, make sure it's locked first before you start trying to replace your saw blade. So this saw blade came with it, and to replace it, you just turn it, this lever here, 180 degree, and this is a spring-loaded lever, so that if I release it, it's going to go back. So this is the blade, and when I press it, it comes right off, and then you can just put it back on just like that. Again, off, on, just like that. Pretty simple. All right, next, let me unlock it, make sure that it's still attached. Yep. Okay, so you see that there's a light, that there's a single LED that lights up your work. That's really nice. Oh yeah, so there's this base here that allows you to work and be lined up with whatever material that you're working with. At the same time, there's this lever that allows you to adjust the base. Try to do this. Let me look at first. Okay, so you should be able to turn. There you go. Now you can turn the base this way or that way. Okay, I see where the problem is. In normal, there's a notch here that goes back and forth. When you're inside that notch, you're actually perpendicular at 90 degrees. So that's the default. And you can release it from the notch, and you can go left or right, and that will give you the 45 degree to the left or 45 degree to the right type of angle. Okay, so we're going to try to do some cuts. We're going to try to start with 1/2 inch. This is regular pine wood, so this is one of the softer wood that you can saw off, and I'll demonstrate how easy it is for us to go ahead and saw this off using this jigsaw. So just put it on right next to it, start. There you go, nothing to it. So that's the half-inch wood. This is a half-inch laminate plywood. So this is multiple layers of wood glued together. This is a lot harder than regular wood. So we're going to try to saw it off right now. I'm going to be using my left hand this time. Go. Cut really easy. There's really no effort to it. Okay, so next we're gonna cut 2 layers of 1-inch plywood. So this is a total of 1 inch. This is well within the capability of the saw blade. As you can see, the saw blade is much further down. So let's give it a try. No problem at all. It doesn't seem like it's even hesitating, so definitely having enough power to cut through 1-inch plywood. And this is the regular blade. I think this is multi-purpose blade. So if you buy a blade that is probably for plywood, it may even go faster. Okay, next we're going to try to cut 1.5 inch of plywood. So this is 3 layers of plywood. Each one of them is 1/2 inch. Oh, sorry, this is actually, yeah, this is 3 layer of 1/2 inch plywood. The total is 1.5 inch. I'm going to try to cut this with the jigsaw. This particular blade barely, as you can see here, is barely the same. It's barely cutting it. It's about the same height. So let's see if it can actually cut this through and how difficult it would be. Okay, so that was pretty easy. It does require a little bit more force for me to push, but obviously the only thing I'm doing is pushing and pressing the trigger. I'm not sweating at all. So it didn't feel like the battery is not enough. Certainly, if I have a more powerful battery and the jigsaw can go up and down faster, it'll probably cut faster. But I didn't think there's any problem cutting 3 layers. So that's it. That's the review that I have for the Milwaukee JIG SAW.